Alright guys, how's it going? It's Alex and I am here with an unboxing that I didn't anticipate. I went to the hobby store to grab a couple things and ended up getting a great deal on this Gorgon. So I went to our local hobby shop, Leisure Our Hobbies. They're awesome. They always have everything I need. If you're in Illinois, near Chicago area, definitely go check them out. They're super helpful, super stocked on parts and trucks and everything, and yeah, that's the only place I get stuff from, honestly, so huge shout out to them. But as you can see, we have a Arrma Gorgon. This came out a bit ago, but I started seeing more info on them as the new Fury and forgot the name of the other one now, but the new trucks that are based on a Gorgon chassis, but basically an LCG style setup. It's a mid-motor monster truck. I don't know. It's a entry-level truck for sure. They're pretty cheap and they come RTR, so it's a nice truck to get your kids or whatever. But I've been on a weird kick with monster trucks and stampedes and stuff, so this one's kind of been on my eye and couldn't really say no to the offer. So here we are. So we'll check on the box art. This is the color I got, the green and yellow one. I think it's labeled as yellow, but you can see the two different color options there. And this is what it includes. Comes all fully RTR. Here's the back. You've got the controller, the battery, the charger, the truck, everything you need. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. I've heard great things about these, actually. I've heard that they're way more strong than they should be for something this cheap. Like you can run 4S on them and they'll take it, which is shocking, but go ahead and open this up. Steal you and show you. All right, so here is the box. We'll pull this off. Assuming that's the remote. Here we go, the truck. And then you've got batteries, tools, yada yada. All right, let's get you back here. So here it is. There you go. Okay, knocked right over. This is going well. Okay, so yeah, as I said, got the yellow colorway, yellow and green colorway. It looks pretty tough. Seems like there's not foam in the tires, so a nice soft tire. Suspension feels pretty plush. I think, and these ones are clip, well, they have hidden clips, but here, we'll do the reveal. Yeah, the body looks great. I'm a big fan of how it looks with this colorway. Let's start. All right, so I'll show you once I pull it off, but there's two clips on the underside. These clips that slot into the chassis, so they're hidden, and then you've got like the little posts, so you line the posts up and then slide the pins through on each side. Or stroke up a little bit. So here we go. This is the chassis. It's a 2-in-1 ESC receiver, brushed motor. I think it's what? I don't even know if they mention the speed. They don't mention the speed, so probably like low 20s, I'd assume. Everything looks pretty heavy duty, honestly. Like the links are real stout. We'll go and show those. So yeah, here you got the double wishbone suspension, oil-filled shocks with looks like just some spacers. I'm assuming, yeah, the package comes from Shop Gyms. Pretty beefy size links. Everything is, you know, pretty enclosed. You have the battery tray on the underside with your nickel metal battery, which I'm gonna use just to test it, but then I'll swap to a LiPo. But yeah, it's kind of nice. The battery tray just slides into the bottom like that, so it stays out of your way. I'm curious to see how it holds up, if it pops out all the time or not, but we'll see. It looks like that's a spot for a fan, I'm assuming. Rear suspension. These are some pretty beefy drive shafts for a stock brushed truck. Sorry, I can't get a good angle of them. But yeah, they look pretty stout. Yeah, it's interesting. It's a very compact, very solid design for the chassis. It's just a, you know, a rectangle. Everything's kind of all enclosed, which will either be great or terrible. I don't know. Depends on how often it breaks, I guess. So let's see what else we get. So got the battery, the truck, the receiver, or the remote. This one-handed is not playing well. So it's your basic run-of-the-mill Spectrum. No TSM. It's got steering rate and trim. So it's got like the 50, 75, and 100% throttles for like training mode type deals, which is nice for an entry-level truck like this for someone who's, you know, not super well versed in RCs and needs to learn at a little slower speed. It does have a foam grip, which is great because some of the cheaper trucks don't, and I hate that. So that's, you know, nothing too special with that, but it's a cheap truck, so you'd expect that. And then we've got, let's see. Oh, this is the charger. I think it's USB-C. Yeah. So the little Spectrum USB-C charger. You've got your AA's, little card, little programming dongle, your user manual. And shock spacers, and your little Arrma toolkit, or multi-tool piece. It's pretty run-of-the-mill stuff, but yeah. So that's it. That's the truck. We'll definitely be doing some videos with it to get some content out there of it running, because I'm stoked to drive it. And that's backwards. Yep. We're struggling today, guys. But yeah, so here she is. Definitely a sharp looking truck, especially for being a little entry-level one. But love the colors, and I'm really excited to see how it drives. I know it's going to be slow and nothing fancy because it's like I said, it's an entry-level truck. I don't expect much out of it, but it looks like it'll be fun to just mess around with. And if I have some friends come that aren't new to RCs, this will be a great truck to toss them and have them learn on a little bit and play with and bash around and not really have to worry about it getting damaged. But yeah, so that's the Arrma Gorgon. We'll definitely be having some content taking this thing out and comparing it to like a Stampede brushed two-wheel drive and seeing how it does. But once again, shout out to Leisure Hour Hobbies in Plainfield. Love them. Great shop. And we'll see you guys in the next video.